Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning how to serialize an object. So first of all, what is the serializing? The serializing is just a method to read and write the object in a text file. In the serializing we convert the object in the bytes and then we save the object in the text file or in any other file. So let's start. Here I have already created a file, a project in which this is a class person and its data members are name and age, and here is the constructor which are initializing the name and age, and here is the main. And I have created another class that is writing class. In this class I'm gonna save the object in the file. First of all, place the try catch in the writing file, and then in the try, first of all we need to write file output. Output means writing in the file, output stream. So what is the function of this file output stream? File output stream sends the data in the form of bytes to the file, and here its object is fs and then new and then file output and stream and then parentheses, and in between these parentheses I am gonna write the name of the file, and then the file is automatically created in the project if the file is not existing. Here I'm gonna write test.txt, and then here is the parentheses of it, and then in between these parentheses I'm gonna write the way how to write the object. First of all, here I'm gonna click on this icon and import this library, and here is the static, so it imports all the library. And then here I'm gonna add the catch blocks. Here are these catch blocks: IO exception and the file not found exception when the file is not found. And then in between this, first of all write the object output stream. Its object is os and equal to new, and object output stream, and then in between this I'm gonna write the name of the file output stream. This is the object of the file output stream, fs. And now I'm gonna write the object in the file. What we need to do, just write os, that is object of this object output stream, then dot write object. So this is the function which write the object in the file, write object. So here in between these parentheses we need to write the name of the object, and now I'm gonna create the object of the, here I'm gonna maximize the screen. Here I'm gonna create the object of the person class. Here is the person class and I'm gonna create its object. Here is the person and p1 and new and person, and in between these parentheses I'm gonna send the values to save in the file. Here is the Fahad and its age is 20. So now this is the object, and here I'm gonna write its name p1. So now this object is written on the file, and then I'm gonna close the file. Here is the os dot close. Basically this statement os.close close the object output stream which we open, and the file output stream automatically close with the try with resources. So now this object is written on the screen, and now I'm gonna implement the serializable interface. Here implements serializable, so it make this interface make this class object serializable. Here is the serializable. Here this S is uppercase, and now here is the error to import the library. So now this object is become serializable, and now I am gonna read that object from the file. Here I'm gonna show you file is created. Here I'm gonna run the program and refresh this project, so you will see the file. Here is the file, and I'm gonna open this text file, and here you can see that the text is here. Here is the Fahad is save, and my age is where I cannot find the age. So this is the text that is saved in the file. So now I'm gonna read this file. So in other words, I'm gonna read the object from the file in the bytes. So now I'm gonna create another class for reading the file. Here is reading and ticket and now, and here I'm gonna write the try, and in the try we have to write file input stream to read the file input stream fs, and then new, and file input stream, and then these are the brackets, and here is, and now here I'm gonna write the name of the file in between these parentheses, test.txt, and then in between these parentheses I'm gonna write object input stream, and here is the os is equal to new and object input stream, and in between these parentheses I'm gonna pass file object file input stream, and here we need to import these libraries, and here make it static so it import all the files. So here is an error object input stream. So now we need to add the catch section. Here it's I is lowercase, so we need to make it uppercase, and now here I'm gonna read the object from the file, write the os dot read object from file, so it returns an object. So we need to save the object in a type of a variable which is type of a person. So we need to create another object to save the object that is returned from this, and we need to convert this object person type. Here is the person, so this object is converted into the person type and then save into the p2. Here what's the error? Here we need to add the catch section. Here is class not found exception and IO exception. So now the object is read from the file, and now I'm gonna print the values here. I'm gonna print the values. p2 dot name, and here is the p2 dot age. So now let's execute it. So here is the little error in the extension of this file. So we have not saved the file with the correct extension here, so I'm gonna delete the previous file and run this program again, so all the things are happened correctly. Here I'm gonna refresh this, so the file is present here. So here you see that the file is present. Here is a little mistake about the extension of the file. So now I'm gonna run the program. So here is the name and age of mine. I have extract these name and age from the new object that is returned by the read object function. It read the object from the file. So this is called serialization, and you can save the objects in the file by converting it to the byte. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion. I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video.